This is Paul. It's about 5 after 9. I woke up on the couch and had to get some clothes from the clothing closet yesterday so that I could change my clothes. Then I had to go to the Y to take a shower. It's one of those situations where I haven't gotten any phone calls. I don't know where the renter's at, and I don't know why my sons haven't called me. I had mentioned yesterday that issuing court orders where there was no due process to myself, there was no signature of the petitioner, and it wasn't the sheriff that served me in the Sequim Public Library. Then there are the forgeries of the ex officio Superior Court clerk. Yes. And then all of Heidi Budner's forgeries on court documents. It's one of these situations where I thought for sure that you understood what I was explaining to you when I emailed you approximately 2 million times. Pouch! Now, I know you're a little hard-headed. We had a pride issue yesterday. A few days before that, there was some vanity about being in law enforcement and thinking that you could actually abduct children. Yes, you could travel through the international waters of the world. From Guam on July 2nd of 2011, you could arrive in Clallam County. Oh, you could issue a protection order where I was in jail on Guam. I did 7 hours of parenting classes. I never committed any domestic violence or child abuse. Yes. And then you issued a permanent protection order on August 12th of 2011. But I was arrested in 2012 when you served me at the same time. Yes. For the allegation of violating a fraudulent protection order where allegedly I had violated it. Yes. I had called Healthy Families of Clallam County. I think it was on the 4th. Let me see. The 4th of May. Yes. And they decided to wait 20 days so that she could go through the state of Washington filling out the dissolution of marriage forms. Yes. Then she motioned the court for dissolution of marriage, and then 3 days later you arrested me. But the law actually says that if you have information, citation, or complaint of domestic violence, you're obligated to inform law enforcement as soon as you have knowledge of that. Now today, I'm a little upset that no one realizes the importance of the enforcement of the laws of the United States, and you've made me wait 7 years and 3 months because some woman ran in there saying he's crazy. Pow! Now, I'm wanting you to remove your court orders today, and that dissolution of marriage, yes. Is it true that I could have sued my wife for making it sound like I was responsible for all the unsecured debt? And then there's the welfare payments and the back child support. She wasn't a resident of Washington State during the month of July of 2011. She arrived in Washington State on July 3rd. Yes, she left Guam on July 2nd. Yes. But you said that I had to pay for a month of residency when she wasn't an actual resident of the state of Washington. Now we're having a difficult time because I told you that it was against the law, and you thought, no, we're not going to enforce the laws. We're going to make him go to the clothing closet so he can get a change of clothes, and we're not going to enforce his victim's rights, and we're not going to enforce the civil rights, and we're not going to enforce the Bill of Rights. We're just not going to enforce any fucking rights.